Welcome to Norway, guys. Welcome to Tromsø. And today we're going together to the summer island, Sommarøy. Sommarøy is a remote and small island famous for its great scenery and located about 36 kilometers far from Tromsø. You can reach there by car. I took a private touristic bus by a local company. The road takes about 2 hours with a few stops. We are in the middle of the way to Sommarøy and arrived to the one of the most beautiful fjords of Norway. It's Fjords. Tourists from all over the world are coming here to see the beauty of Norway, and we are lucky these days because it's autumn time, and look how beautiful the colors of nature. We're having the next stop, and we were suggested to eat the special food of Norway. This is a sausage made from reindeer meat. Nice.
Yeah, it's a young one.
So finally we reach the island of Sommarøy. They call it Summer Island because 2 months in the summertime the sun is not going down. They have 24 hours of light. So many times I've been to this place and I never stop admiring of this beauty of surroundings, this fresh air, the noise of the ocean, the sky, and the nature in general. Let's have a short walk. There are about 300 people who live in Sommarøy, mostly they're fishermen and those who keeps touristic camps. So we are going to visit one of that camps now. This is the best food for hikers. You just fill the bag with the hot water and in 2 minutes enjoy the healthy food.
Are you documenting everything?
Yeah. I started the blog. This is another traditional food from Norway, lefse. It's made of pancakes, brown cheese, butter, sugar and cinnamon, literally melting in the mouth. It's a real calorie bomb, but super delicious. Thank you our host for welcoming us in this pristine nature. See you next time.